Okay, you guys, so I am finally going to decorate this room. So you guys have probably seen the DIY on this already. And then I'll be filming a DIY on this shelf, just in case anybody wants to make a shelf. But I am going to be putting this bedroom together. All my thrift store finds are here. I don't know if I'm gonna be incorporating for sure. I'm not gonna incorporate all of it, but some of that stuff. And then I'll be decorating the shelf today, putting the new bed set. I washed the blankets already. And then what else? Oh, so I redid these. These were, I should have saved a picture, but these were actually these were like a gray color, and I just got some contact paper off of Amazon, and then I painted the legs. So I just feel like it looked better with the colors that I have going on. So this is the contact paper actually that I got off of Amazon. And I do want to do these shelves also with the contact paper. And then I want to redo this dresser. I just ordered some knobs off of Amazon, so I'm still waiting for those. So I probably won't be redoing the dresser in this video, but for the next video. So this is the before. Dun, 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 dun. The before of this atrocious bedroom that needs some love. And I will show you, or let's start doing the after. So I started off by decorating the shelf, and I wanted this shelf to be one of the focal points of the bedroom. So I added some greenery, and you'll see me add some paintings, and then I added some wicker up there to kind of bring everything together in the bedroom, and just kind of playing around with different heights and stuff like that. So I really liked how it ended up turning out, and you guys, to say I'm obsessed with how this bedroom turned out is an understatement. I'm so in love. And a fun fact, I actually made my husband pull over one day so that I could pick these. They just look so beautiful, and I brought them home and cleaned them off a little bit and then sprayed them with some hairspray so that they wouldn't shed as much. But I had a vision in my head and I wanted to pick them, so I made him pull over. But don't they look so beautiful? I feel like they just add just so much to the shelf. And of course, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I am obsessed with lighting. So I wanted to add some fairy lights. So I got these off of Amazon. They're like cotton ball fairy lights, and I just feel like that really brought everything together so beautifully. So originally I was going to put the shelf through the circle, kind of like in the middle of it, but I ended up finding these moon phase mirrors, and for those that know me know that I am obsessed with the moon and just moon phase anything. So I had to add these to the bedroom, and I thought that on the headboard, quote unquote headboard, because I made it, I thought they would look perfect in the center of it, and I was so right. It just, I don't know, guys, it's just so whimsical, so dreamy. I love it. So this bed set I purchased from Target a few months back. I've just had it kind of sitting there, and I love it. I feel like it kind of goes with that boho theme. Only thing that I would change is my sheets. Instead of having them white, I feel like if I purchase black sheets, it will look a lot better and contrast the bed set better as well. Let me know what you guys think. Should I keep the white, or would you guys prefer the black? So for my windows, if you guys saw my living room makeover, then you guys saw that I also used these in the living room for the windows, and I had to have them again for the bedroom because I feel like they just go with the vibe and they bring everything together, and they're super easy to hang as well. You just screw the little, or twist the little, it's like a screw hook, and then you just hang the shades. It's super easy, you guys. I actually even added these in my dining room. And for the curtains, I actually kept the ones that I had. I'm still on the hunt for some perfect boho blank curtains, but I haven't found any that stick out to me. But for now, I feel like these do good with the whole aesthetic. And then next, I am wiping down this little storage bench that we used to have in the living room, but I brought into the bedroom, and I just feel like it goes together with everything that I have going on. And for the nightstands, kept it very simple. I just added a humidifier, a vase, a taller vase, and then a real plant. I just need to find a vase for the snake plant. I haven't been able to find one yet. And same thing on the other side, just added a plant and another vase. And then moving on to my dresser, kept it very simple again. Like I said, I actually want to redo this dresser. I want to put contact paper on the top of it and then add some knobs to each drawer. I just feel like it'll look so much better with a little sprucing up. So just added a little night light on a little stand and another plant. Per usual, you guys know me, I love plants. So moving on to my shelves, I didn't like the white anymore, so I used that contact paper, and as you guys can see, it's super easy to do it. You just measure out whatever you're trying to cover it with, and then you stick it on. I use a credit card to kind of just push everything down and make it stick better, but it's super easy, you guys. If you guys are really trying to upcycle your furniture, or just you don't like it anymore, I would really recommend contact paper. They have tons of different styles. This is just the style that I chose because it went with the aesthetic and the vibe that I have going on, but I would recommend these for sure. And moving on to the basket wall, I actually have a tutorial on this if you guys want to check that out, but I like to lay everything out on the floor first so that I could kind of get a picture of how it's going to look on the wall. Next, I hung up this macrame lampshade, and I am obsessed with this thing. I also have one in the living room, and the lighting that it gives off is so beautiful, and it makes the vibe and that boho feel just feel so much more cozy and comfy and just relaxing. And then next, I added some pampas grass. I actually picked this up from a local vendor and just added that to the corner of the bedroom right under the lampshade. And then I added a little throw blanket over the corner of the bed just to kind of incorporate that burnt terracotta color a little bit more. And then I vacuumed the whole bedroom. I hope you guys enjoyed this bedroom transformation. I am obsessed. I'm so obsessed. I love just how everything came together so beautifully, and it just looks so cozy, so inviting, so relaxing, and it is such a mood. Like I said, I'm obsessed. If you guys like this as much as I did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you guys are enjoying all of these decor videos and DIYs, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you guys for all of your support. I hope you guys are having a great year so far, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.